I told you, uphill, this is much better. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow, look at this, early in the morning guys, 8:30 a.m. and we are out for a quick mountain blast. I'm on my way to work, I'm here in Bern and we're about to hit this farmer's road, which is quite bumpy. We need to watch out here on this road, just because of the conditions, and as you will see we have a lot of blind corners as well. But the road is so much fun anyways. Speed limit here, again, it's 80 kilometers an hour. Which I'm struggling to hit at some corners. Let the lorry pass. Yeah, you can see. If traffic is here, quite difficult to pass, so that's why we need to chill on these blind corners. But when we see it's free, we can blast it a little more. Braking here, blind corner, really watching out. But now let's go. Yeah. We need to watch out with the bumpiness. Holy cow. Yes, I cut the corner here because there was a bump on my side and I can clearly see there was no one oncoming. Section in the evening we're gonna do an uphill of this back section here. I hope then it's also a bit darker because then you can see the oncoming lights. Here every blind corner is literally just blind. Oh, missed the heel toe, not that good. That is the best sign ever. Bit damp here. Let's watch out. We're on semi-slicks and the road is not that warm. Keep in mind, it's still winter here, technically. Sometimes I don't even brake, I just downshift. Oh, also the views, wow. So nice here. And this is like the second time I'm driving this road as well. I don't know it by heart at all. Okay, here back to a 60 speed limit. Blind, 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 blind. And we can see. But still it's only 60, yeah. Oh, we caught up to some traffic. I waited for about literally like 5 minutes before I went off, and it still is not enough for this short stretch of a road. Getting into a 40, and yeah, let's chill here for a bit. Oh, but summer is near. It's already nice that I can be 8:30 in the morning without a roof, just chilling, driving my commute to work, taking the longer route to have some fun. So nice. Okay, let me slow down a bit so we can create some space to that vehicle in front of us, because yeah, you can't pass on these roads. That's the one downside. It's probably nicer in a motorcycle, but then still, it's so bumpy. I don't think that's even enjoyable on a motorcycle. But at least you can overtake on a motorcycle. In a car here, no chance. It's not wide enough to overtake. The car in front of you has to make space for you. So if there's an oncoming car, it works, but if the car is in front of you, it doesn't work. People just won't make space for you behind. Starting to get a 60, but yeah, this corner isn't even that fun at 60. Oh yeah, I remember, here is short 60 zone and then back to a 40. And then afterwards on the downhill, I think the 80 is coming back. And I made kind of a vlog video earlier this month where we moved into the new house. Let me know in the comments below how you think that video was. If I just should stick to POV driving, only that content with my Elise and also different cars, or if I should also once in a while do a live update vlog kind of style video. 80 is coming back, but that car, I don't think we have enough space actually. That is a good corner at 80. Downshift mid corner, again not ideal. But I guess better than not downshifting. Again, the minimap, so I can see which corners are coming up. Long corners here that get tighter, need to watch out for that. Yeah, I didn't upshift here. That one is really tight. That road though. Yeah, trust me, the way back home on the uphill is gonna be much more fun. Because this downhill is always a bit more tricky than uphill. Because you have to do much more braking. On the uphill, the gravity does some of the braking for you, and you can kind of push against gravity. Oh, okay, this is a really bumpy road though. Okay guys, let me actually that was so sick, and it's just my way to work. Wow. Yeah, let's take that. Let me actually go to work and I'm gonna see you in the evening on the other way on this road. Okay, we are back. It is evening, I've done my work, and now we are on the way back to that nice, twisty, little bit sketchy road. The car is warmed up. I've got like 6-7 minutes of driving here to this road from my work, and now I think, yeah, we can blast. One thing, I think the exhaust mic has stopped working because I don't have any more battery for it. But oh well. You had the morning with the exhaust mic. I hope you enjoyed that. I told you, uphill, this is much better. Whoa! Holy shit! This road, very blind here, very blind. It's not as dark as I would have hoped, so I cannot really see the oncoming car, so I need to chill a bit more than I actually hoped for, but it's still a lot of fun. That means we can accelerate a bit more out of the corners. Yeah! Heel towing. This road is so bumpy, oh my god. Okay, we already caught up to the first car. Slight trail braking, a little on the throttle. Yeah, oh well, the 40 zone is coming up anyways. And again, I never sit up someone's ass. I don't want to stress anyone. Wow, look at this sunset, guys. Whoa! insane. Oh, I hope you can see it in the second camera angle. Wow. This reach, guys, it is normal for me having grown up in Switzerland, but wow, look at this, guys. But Switzerland is just like a movie scene, actually. It is so beautiful. Whoa. Yeah, 40 feels slow here. But it's understandable because a lot of pedestrian zones here, and there are a lot of farmers working with their slow vehicles. Wow. It's a shame that I'm driving the opposite way of the sunset. Big tractor. That's why here it's 60 and not 80, and on other spots it's 40 and not 80. The sun! This is rare for Switzerland, that we get this orange of a sun with the sky. I don't see this often, by the way. Oh, it looks like a movie. Let me know in the comments down below, how do you like the second angle? A little misunderstanding here. Now, speed limit opens up. Shifting mid-corner is never ideal, guys. Never. But we are not driving on a track, we're driving purely for fun and engagement. Let's chill here on that blind section and go! Whoa. The suspension really gets worked here. And I think actually a rally type setup would work better on this road. Rally type setup, but I must say it is quite compliant for being an Elise. You might think, oh, it's gonna be so stiff, but no, it actually grips really good and absorbs the bumps quite well for a car this stiff. Whoa. Oh, this road. Okay, hard braking here. Oncoming car and go. I hope you can see when the car kind of is almost jumping a little bit. That's why exactly you slow down for the blind corners and hope that the other person also does the same and tries to stay on his lane. Oh, okay, we have traffic in front of us. I think I'll wait here really quickly. Just, yeah, so we can enjoy the road a bit more. I can see perfectly when someone comes. Whoa. And yeah, the heater is fully on. It is freezing cold. At least I have warm hands now. It's still inefficient because I don't have a roof, but it's better than nothing, I guess. I can already smell the tires. Nice. I always think I waited enough, but no. You never waited enough. You're gonna catch up so fast because most people drive these roads so slow, which is understandable. It's a dangerous road, but yeah. You can't overtake, so I might as well just wait and enjoy the road. It's not about being faster for me, not at all. It's about the fun, because I won't be any faster, even if I overtake. Okay, one car is coming from behind, so let's go. A little limited there. Oh, that would have sounded much better with the exhaust mic. Yeah, if you want to drive this road fast, you really have to know it. And again, this is my second time driving this road, now from this side. I am gonna use the whole road if necessary, but try to stay on my lane, especially in those corners, because you never know, and always be able to brake within half line of sight on these roads. If you have a middle line in the road, you have to be able to brake within line of sight, but here, as you only have pretty much one lane, it's half line of sight. Yeah, people like that don't stay on their lane in blind corners, always a little bit dangerous. And that's what I have to make up for. It's mostly, it's not me, or it's never me, it's always the other people. That's what everyone says. Whoa! Here, little jump. Whoa! Whoa! And always, again, we obey the speed limit. I told you in the morning, I'll tell you again, I'll tell you in every video. I know you guys get annoyed when I tell it all the time, but I always have new people coming in and I need to make them aware as well. I just realized the road ended, so I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I really had a lot of fun on this road. A new road. We're definitely gonna explore some more new roads, but for today, that's it. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.